How to be vegan. Oil in the pan. Olive oil. Next step, frozen veggies. It literally says stir fry. You can get pretty much any bag that says stir fry on it. This one said Parisian style, but it has the same shit. And Paris is cool. So, frozen veg. Okay, you put a bunch of veggies in there. That's probably too much, but you can never have too much. And have it on like medium high. It depends on your stove, but that's usually a good time. And then we gotta cut the smoked. This is the smoked tofu. I don't know if it's available in your area, but it's really good. Alternatively, if your house has a smoker, as some houses do, some suburban houses have a smoker, you can just buy tofu and smoke it yourself. I don't have a smoker, so we're using that. Okay, so you cut it up into these little cubes, and you just put it in here. Okay, one-handed. Not as easy as I thought. Especially this tiny weird one. Stupid piece of shit. Okay, anyway, so then it's in there. So you got your protein and a bunch of colors of veggies. It's always good to have multiple colors. You'll always hear that. And smoked tofu is just delicious because all you have to do is cut it and fry it and it's delicious. That's it. So now we're going to move on to the fucking rice. Okay, so we've run into a problem because I had a friend come over and make jambalaya. He used a bunch of this rice. I wasn't aware. I didn't have much left. So usually for one single person eating, I usually try to do half a cup. But we don't have half a cup today. 1 cup is good for like if you want to have leftovers, but I don't have a microwave. So put that in there. So it's not going to be very much rice, but that's okay. Okay, but since there wasn't quite half a cup, we're not going to do a full cup of water either. That's probably good. Whatever. It'll do. Okay. And then you turn this bitch on like high, but not totally high, because then it gets a little crazy. And then once it starts getting crazy, you just turn it down. We'll get there. This is going. That's good. I'm going to stir that up a little. Okay, so this part is on its way. Mixed together a little bit. This one started steaming, so I turn it down to the minimum. And inside it's going to absorb all the water. And it'll probably be done before this is done. It's what usually happens. And so I'll report back when those are done. Alright, this is pretty much almost done. This is pretty much probably fine. Not many steps to go. Being vegan, easy. Everyone says to fluff it with a fork, but fuck it. Just spoon it around till it's a jumbo, it's all broken up, it's not flat and shit. Don't need to fluff it up with some damn fork. Spoon is fine. That's done. We're going to put it in here. Okay, now it's in there. So now we're going to go grab the best sauce in the world. French. I live in Canada. Slightly sweet, okay? Soy sauce substitute. Why is it a substitute? Because it's made out of motherfucking coconuts. It doesn't even say. It's made out of motherfucking fermented coconut sap, okay? Way better than soy sauce. Let's go. Okay, let me just inform you on which one is not the shit, okay? Same brand. You think it's the same? No, this is perfectly salted. And I like salt. Don't get me wrong. I eat salty chips, salty popcorn. Salt is great. This is way too goddamn fucking salty. So don't get this unless you were like in bed with salt and you like can't have not enough salt. Otherwise, lightly sweet. Okay, that's just a tip. I'm not even gonna finish what's in here. Someone else is gonna have to. None of that. Main trick with pretty much everything. Shake Will knows this. We all know this. You gotta shake a bottle before you use it. You know, you just gotta make sure it's all in there. Okay, now this might look crazy, but I swear it's a good amount. You need this much. Okay, and then you stir it, which I need 2 hands for. And voila, we got veggies, protein, starch. We got lots, all different kinds, all different colors. Smoked tofu the best. We got coconut oil, soy sauce. So that's better than soy. It's coconut. And that's just basically how to be vegan. Fucking easy peasy. I'm the laziest motherfucker in the world. This is like the most complicated dish that I make. Everything else I make in a goddamn microwave. Listen, I eat a lot of this type of shit. Oh wait, okay, well, I eat a lot of this in my spaghetti, but what I really meant to show off was that I do eat a lot of this type of shit, okay? Just fucking, this isn't good for you probably, but I'm lazy as fuck. If you want to be healthy, you make the stir fry, okay? And I'm trying to make stir fries more. That's how you do it. That's my recipe. Make it if you want. Let me know if you liked it. This was mostly... Okay, on second thought, could have been a little less sauce, but it's still good, okay? Stand behind it. You got to put a lot of sauce in it. Maybe I put a little too much. I can admit that. It's still delicious.